Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play counter in Untitled Boxing Game. Countering is a fundamental skill that allows you to turn your opponent's aggression against them. It's all about precise timing and quick reflexes. When you successfully counter, you not only avoid damage, but also create a significant advantage, often leading to powerful follow-up attacks. We will cover the core mechanics and strategies to help you master this essential technique and dominate your matches. Executing a perfect counter requires precise timing. You need to press the designated counter button in the split second before your opponent's punch connects. This window is quite small, often less than 1/2 of a second. A successful counter will typically stun your opponent, leaving them vulnerable for about 2 to 3 seconds. Pay close attention to their animations. Each punch has a distinct tell that you can learn to anticipate. Beyond basic timing, advanced counter strategies involve manipulating your opponent. Try baiting them into predictable attacks by leaving small openings, then swiftly counter their response. Utilize your movement to position yourself for optimal counter angles. Learning to counter specific punch combinations can completely shut down an opponent's offense. Remember to vary your counter attempts. Being too predictable makes you an easy target. Mastering the art of countering takes dedication and consistent practice. Spend time in the game's training modes, focusing specifically on reaction drills to improve your timing. Watch experienced players to observe how they effectively use counters in high-pressure situations. After your matches, review your gameplay to pinpoint moments where you could have countered more effectively. With persistent effort, your countering skills will significantly improve, making you a formidable opponent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.